Opening with rapid financial market scenes, we see prices rise and fall. News headlines flash by, and we witness one person feeling exhilarated while another looks distressed. Amidst the chaos, we meet a calm investor, reviewing a detailed long-term plan at their desk. Two people can look at the same market and see completely different opportunities, risks, and decisions. What separates a thoughtful investor from someone who just reacts to daily news? Successful investing isn't solely about finding investments. It's about understanding how to think when information is incomplete and emotions are high. In this video, we'll explore 10 key ways investors think differently. Investors think in years, not just days. Imagine an investor monitoring a stock's minor fluctuations over an afternoon. Instead of panicking, they zoom out to view a 5, 10, or 20-year timeline. Short-term thinking focuses on what happened today, while long-term thinking asks, what will determine this asset's value over many years? Take person A, who reacts to daily changes. Now consider person B, with a long-term strategy, evaluating if new information alters their vision. Investors don't ignore the present, they simply refuse to let it dictate each decision. Next, they focus on value, not just price. Picture a price tag hovering over an asset. What if we remove the price and reveal the underlying business? Price shows what the market currently demands, while value reflects an investor's belief in an asset's worth based on various factors. Remind yourself, a lower price doesn't guarantee a bargain, nor does a high price mean a rip-off. Consider two businesses with different financial health, examining metrics like revenue and growth. Remember, understanding an asset's value requires a nuanced approach. Investors also ask, what could go wrong? Meet an overly optimistic analyst examining a rising chart. Contrast this with another who asks, what assumptions must hold true for this investment? This is risk analysis. Potential threats can range from economic downturns to poor management. Thinking about risks isn't pessimism, it's being realistic. Ask first, how much could I lose and could I handle it? Next, they don't confuse confidence with certainty. A commentator predicts the future with fervor, but markets are unpredictable. Market experts can be wrong, hence knowing the difference between confident reasoning and absolute certainty is crucial. Good investing isn't about knowing the future perfectly. It involves making informed decisions while acknowledging uncertainty. Now, let's explore the power of compounding. Visualize a small sum growing over time through ongoing contributions and interest. Growth can drive more growth, but timelines are key. Meet investor A, who starts early with smaller inputs, and investor B, who begins later needing larger sums to catch up. Compounding is powerful but doesn't eliminate investment risks. Investors must also control emotions. Picture a dramatic market crash as news headlines scream. One investor acts impulsively while another calmly reviews their risks. Psychological reactions, like fear and greed, can cloud judgment. The key is having a decision process. Ask, has the situation changed, or are my feelings driving this? Investors also think about opportunity costs. When faced with financial choices, they ask, am I making the best use of my resources? Each financial action has alternatives. Use original fictional scenarios to emphasize that investing isn't just about earning money. It's about strategic resource allocation. Investors don't chase every trend. As rapid scenes of AI and cryptocurrency flash by, our calm investor remains composed. Just because something is popular doesn't mean it's a worthy investment. Ask essential questions about understanding risks and assumptions. Now, they build systems rather than rely on fleeting motivation. We see an investor struggling to decide when to invest. Contrast this with a structured system involving regular contributions and assessments. Systems simplify decision-making and help maintain focus despite changing moods. Finally, they know when not to act. Amidst catchy headlines urging immediate decisions, one investor remains still. Inaction can be a choice. Not every market move demands a response. Emphasize having patience and focusing on research before acting. Let's summarize these 10 distinct investor mindsets. They think long-term, understand value, measure risk, accept uncertainty, utilize time, control emotions, consider opportunity costs, ignore hype, build processes, and know when to wait. In the end, as our calm investor revisits their plan, remember that even in a fast-moving market, thoughtful investors maintain a clear focus on their processes. The biggest difference between thoughtful investors and reactive ones may not be intelligence. It's how they respond to uncertainty. Think longer, question assumptions, understand value, respect risk, control emotions, and remember not every opportunity requires your capital. For more practical insights into finance, investing, and building long-term wealth, subscribe to Finance Flow. Lastly, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not personalized financial advice. Investing involves risks, including potential loss. Please consult a qualified professional if necessary.